Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. No hi? Alright, hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Anthea and today this is a special video. I am here. Oh, she's now saying hello. Hallelujah. Anyways, I am here with my little princess. In this video, I am simply going to be showing you how I do my daughter's high pony. It is a quick fix, so it's going to take you about at most 30 minutes. What's your name?
Anthea.
Before I forget, you also need to get something that is going to entertain your child. If your child is like mine, you need something that is going to take their mind off the hair. Using the comb, I am going to separate the hair into two sections. My daughter's hair gets really tangled, so I work in sections. I divide it into parts and I work section by section. I'm going to go in with a brush. This is a wet brush, so it will help to detangle the hair. It will help to get rid of all those lumps in the hair. It is also going to help you bring the hair together, like even all the shorter hair, like the one at the back and around the temple. I have to spray more on the tips because they're still very dry and pretty much still very much tangled. Separate it with your fingers a bit before you brush through it again. From this point, brushing through, start from the tips, from the end down here, going upwards. Now the hair is fully detangled. I am going to brush it and bring it together, and once I have all the hair in my palm, I will secure it with an elastic band. Now it's time to accessorize. I am just going to add a clip in the hair, and when you're adding a clip, you want to put it as close to the hairband, to the elastic band as possible. Wow. Oh my, I just did that layer. Stop messing it up. Yes, this happens a lot. We just make the hair and then she just goes ahead and starts to pull it out. It does happen every time. Anyways guys, thank you so much